Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and assalamu alaikum class. Hope you all are doing good. It's your English literature lecture. We are doing introduction to the novel Robinson Crusoe. We'll complete our introduction today. So in yesterday's video, we got to know about Robinson, who Robinson was and what did he love. He loved sailing. How did he become rich? कैसे वो अमीर हुआ? And where did he live? And what was his story? And how did his ship wrecked? And what actually this story is about? Who is the real character of this story? Who this story is about? So we got to know that the story is not about Robinson Crusoe. He is just a character. He's made a character of the novel, but the story in reality is about a person called Alexander Selkirk. So we were reading about Selkirk. Who Selkirk was? He was an English trader, and we got to know that he got struck in a sea storm. His ship got wrecked, and now we'll continue the introduction. So now he is near the coast of Chile, and his ship has stuck on the island. So let's begin our today's lecture. Although Selkirk thought that the ship would soon break and was no longer safe to sail in, the captain decided to sail again. So who was the captain with Selkirk? The captain's name was William Dampier. So he was the captain with Selkirk. Selkirk thought, Selkirk को लगा कि ship टूट जाएगी जल्द ही and was no longer safe to sail in. Selkirk को लग रहा था कि जो शिप है जो स्टॉर्म की वजह से वो टूट जाएगी जल्द और इसमें हम दोबारा सेल नहीं कर सकेंगे. We won't be able to travel, won't be able to go by sea in this ship. He thought this, in this ship again. But the captain William decided to sail again, to float his ship on the water again. उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो दोबारा अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट करेंगे. Selkirk therefore chose to stay alone on the island to wait for help. So now they are on an island. वो island पे they are waiting. So now they are waiting on an island, and they are off the view. When the storm gets over, they'll move. जब भी तूफान ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो वो अपनी जर्नी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. He took with him from the ship his bedding. Who took? Selkirk. Ship से अपनी bedding. Bedding means on which he is going to sleep. Maybe a mat. Mat हो गया या कोई भी चीज़ जिस पे उसने सोना था. A gun and bullets. Tobacco. A small axe. A knife. A kettle. A Bible. Bible is a book. The way we read Quran Pak. Similarly, Christians have got Bible. Their holy book is called Bible. His mathematical instruments. He had got some mathematical instruments and some books so that he doesn't get bored. In Defoe's story, Robinson Crusoe also got some of these things. Now, these are the similarities between Robinson Crusoe's journey and Selkirk's journey. These are some of the things that Selkirk took from the ship to the island, and these are the some of the things that Robinson Crusoe took as well. Robinson Crusoe ने भी यही चीज़ें शिप से आइलैंड पे लेके गया था और Selkirk भी यही चीज़ें शिप से आइलैंड पे लेके गया. So these are the similarities between both the stories. Then lived in a cave and tamed goats. And other similarity, एक और similarity. Who lived? Selkirk lived in a cave and tamed goats. यानी जो आइलैंड पे पहले से goats थी उनको उसने पाला अपने लिए और अपने साथ उनको रखा. Similarly, Robinson will also do the same. वो भी cave में रहेगा. He live in a cave and tame some goats. in this story, just as Selkirk did. So these are some of the similarities between both the stories. Selkirk had stayed on the island for 4 years when an English ship came and saved him. So Selkirk जो था वो 4 साल तक आइलैंड पे रहा. जब एक इंग्लिश शिप आई, 4 साल बाद कोई भी इंग्लिश शिप उस आइलैंड पे आई और उन्होंने सेल्क्रिक को रेस्क्यू किया एंड द शिप टुक हिम बैक टू इंग्लैंड. But it is a different story for Crusoe. There were some similarities. For example, the things both took to the island जो लेके गए दोनों चीज़ें, both persons Selkirk and Robinson took same things to their island पे same चीज़ें लेके गए थे. Both the characters lived in a cave and both the characters tamed goats. So these were some similarities, but there are some differences as well. For example, Selkirk lived for 4 years on the island, whereas Robinson did not live for 4 years. The duration of Robinson's stays is different from Selkirk. Robinson Crusoe is written in the first person like a diary. So in the first person means the story, the narrator जो कि बात कर रहा है, he himself is talking as somebody, things had happened to somebody and the person is now telling a story. First person में story बताने का मतलब ये होता है कि जिस बंदे के साथ जो events हुए हैं और वो इंसान अपनी कहानी खुद सुना रहा होता है. For example, Robinson is saying, I stayed on the island and I did that. I lived in the cave and I tamed goats. फर्स्ट पर्सन यानी जिस इंसान की कहानी होती है वो खुद ही सुनाता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन. जैसे कि हम डायरी लिखते हैं, द वे वी राइट डायरी, वी राइट अबाउट आवर सेल्फ. तो व्हेन द पर्सन राइट अबाउट हिमसेल्फ, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन नरेशन. लेट्स रीड व्हाट क्रूसो टेल्स अस अबाउट हिज लाइफ ऑन द आइलैंड. So now we'll read about in the next lecture we'll read about Robinson Crusoe. We'll start the story. We'll start from chapter number 1 and we are done with the introduction.